right here. Today, we're going to learn a Brazilian folk song called Peixe Vivo. Let's have some fun! Alright, Peixe Vivo is in the key of blank major. Alright, let's look at our key signature. We have one flat, B flat, and we know that that's the key of F major. Okay, and it's not the C major scale, so let's try playing it. Remember, there's one flat, B flat. So we have F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F, E, D, C, B flat, A, G, F. Okay, very good. Okay, now let's make sure we identify our time signature, which is 4, 4, 4 beats per measure, quarter note gets the beat. For this song, the melody is in our left hand in the bass clef. So I'm going to give you some tips. All right, so remember we have a pickup measure here. Okay, you see the quarter note there, and we have 2 eighth notes, and then we're going to start on 1, right? So we have our forefinger on the A. I'm going to play 4 too. Don't forget, there's always a B flat. It's not going to be written in for us anymore because it's in our key signature. So 4, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1, 2. I'll play 4 again. And then 2, 3, 5, 3, 4, 4, 4, 2. Okay, so pretty much everything lines up right where our fingers sit. Okay, so you don't have to worry too much about that so far. Let's keep going. Just make sure. We're going to play, I'm going to be 2 here. 2, 3, 3, 1, 1, 2, 4, 2, 2, 3, 5, and then a little squeeze, right? So 5, 3, 5, 5. Okay, now we have an 8th rest and 2 16th notes, right? So if we start with our 2 finger on C, I'll count 1 E and a 2 E and, just so we know where that comes, okay? So 1 E and, oops, B flat. Remember your B flat. So 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Okay, good. So now you know how that goes. Keep going. We're going to go to our 3rd finger on that B flat. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. So a little bit of stretch, right? So on the 3 finger, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. And then just go back up, and it sounds very similar. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. So all our fingers just kind of fall naturally there. So I'll go 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. All our fingers still falling very naturally. I'm still on 2 for the C here. 1 and 2, or 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Okay, you can count ands if you want, or the 16ths, whatever's easiest for you. I like to have the 16ths so that I can keep the beat very steady in my head. And we have, again, 2 on the C. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E. Little squeeze. And a 4 E and a. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Right? That 4 E and a is silent in the left hand. Okay, now for the right hand, we come in right on 1, and we're going to start with the B flat and the F. Okay, with our 4 finger and 1. I'll go ahead and play 2 on that G. 1, 3, 1, 3. Okay, and then this is going to repeat a couple of times. So we have 4, 1, 4, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3. Again, 4, 1, 4, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3. And then 4, 1, 4, 2. It's a little bit different now. I'll play 1 and 3, 5, 1. And then there's a rest, little 8th rest. Okay, let's keep going. Now, I'm going to play 1 and 5. You're going to do a little stretch for that octave. So we have 1, 5, 1, 5. If your hand isn't big enough, you can just jump. 1, 5, 1, 5. Okay, and then 1, 5 again for the A's, and then down to F. Rest. 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5. Rest. And then we have some chords. We have F, G, and B flat. I like playing 1, 2, 4 here, and then I'm going to go to 1, 2, 4 again. Okay, So that's up to you. You can find a different fingering if that's good for you, but I like 1, 2, 4. I like 1, 2, 4. Now we're gonna jump up here, and it's gonna be F, G, and A all together. That's a fun sound. And that one, maybe I'll play 3, 4, 5, so that I can play 1, 3, 5 here. Cool, huh? I like how I'm playing all 3 together. Okay, that's fun. Let's try down here again. Okay, we did this one already. F, G, and B flat. I'll do 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Now this one's a little bit different, but I'm still gonna play, let's see here. I'll play 2, 4, 5. How about that? So 2, 4, 5, 2, 3, 5, excuse me. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. So I could play 1, 3, 5 right there. Okay? So you can experiment. I like 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, maybe 2, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. Okay, I like that. So here I'm going to play 1, 2, and 4 again, and then 1, 2, 4. Okay, and notice it's the same each time for these three measures, right? The first 2 chords are the same each time. And then these last 2 ones change. Here I'm going to go back to the 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then we have the same chords again as before. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. And then now we have something different. I'm going to play 1 and 5. And then I'll play 2 here. And then jump down to 1. Okay, so I'll play 1 and 5, 2, 1. And that's it. Okay, now we have some instructions here. It says circle all the instances in this piece where the right hand is playing broken octaves. Well, let's go look for some octaves. Let's see. No. Aha! We have B flat to B flat, but it's not stacked. They're broken. Remember, we're playing in like this. Okay, so I'm going to circle that. Okay, and this is the same. And this is A to A, right? So there's another broken octave. And then we have B flat to B flat again, and A to A. Okay, any more? No, that's it. All right, now it says to name the interval of the first 2 notes in the left hand of this song. Okay, well, the first 2 notes in the left hand of the song are A to C. A. That's the third. Okay. Then it says name the interval of the last 2 notes in the right hand of this song. Okay, so the last 2 notes are these 2. Let's see, we had C to F. What interval is that? That's a 5th. All right, good job, my friends. All right, so you're gonna practice your left hand, the melody, then you'll practice the right hand. You'll play them hands together after you have everything perfect. And then let's sing while you play. Now, bonus challenge, the lyrics are in Portuguese. So if you can learn them, awesome. And then make sure you sing it with the solfege as well. So, today we learned a Brazilian folk song called Peixe Vivo. Keep practicing all your songs, sing while you play, and memorize everything. Prestissima out!